Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So before we start, I just want to greet you all a happy new year. So for today's video, I am going to try these affordable jelly dips that I got from AliExpress. So again, this is recommended to me by Carol Annette, and I saw this one on her Instagram stories, and I immediately messaged her and asked for the link. And I just want to try this one because it is so affordable. It is this particular set is only $3.83. So this one has 11 different sizes and each one has 10 pieces of jelly dips. And by the way, this is the short ballerina, but they come in different sizes and shape. So I just want to test a shorter jelly dips this time because I always like do the longer ones. So I'm not really sure if this is really made of gel products, but I think it is based on the appearance and comparing it to other jelly dips that I have. But this is how it looks like. It is kind of tapered on the sides. It is a little bit flimsy or soft. As you can see, I kind of able to like wiggle it. But yeah, I am going to use that on my right hand, and on my left hand, I am going to use either of these two. So I got both the long coffin and the other one is medium stiletto. So for those of you who are curious about the price of this, both of them are $4.64. So the same as the other one, this has 11 different sizes and each bag has 20 pieces. So this one has more jelly tips compared to the one with the shorter length. So the short ballerina that I showed a while ago has only 10 jelly tips. So this is how it looks like, and I think it is not super curvy, or it doesn't have like a strong or high apex. And this one is more firm than the other one, which is kind of a little bit flimsy. But yeah, we will see later. But for now, let me just quickly show you the other shape. This one is medium stiletto and it is same price as the coffin. This is also $4.64, and I also got this one for free shipping. I ordered this last November 23rd and it came to me last December 29th, which is almost 1 month. I think it is not that bad because I also got this one for free shipping. So I only paid $14 for the 3 sets of jelly tips, which I think is really a good deal already. So yeah, what I am showing you right now is the stiletto jelly tips, and as you can see, it's kind of folded on the tip part, but maybe it is only this tip. Because of the price, you really don't have to expect a lot, or if it is really like perfect. But I am going to compare it to the coffin. So these are the two different shapes. So I noticed that the coffin is more firm and it's actually kind of sturdy, unlike the other one, which is the stiletto. I think this one is a little bit softer. So I'm not really sure if there's a difference with the ingredients or type of material that they use, but as you can see, the stiletto is kinda the same to the shorter one. But in terms of the apex or the curveness, these two have the same. So yeah, I am going to use the coffin and I am going to use the shorter one for my right hand. So as you can see, I still have material on my nails because I stopped doing mani for I think almost 1 month, and I just applied the Triple D acry gel on my natural nails to have strength, and that's so that they won't break. But I am going to remove some of the products on my right hand, and on my left hand I am going to completely remove the acry gel. So I also want to point out that it's kinda hard to choose size because of the taperedness of this short ballerina. It actually fits perfectly on my cuticle area, but on my free edge, as you can see, you have to really cut your length to make it shorter. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to file those excess later. So I already choose my sizes, and I am going to use a Triple D liquid since these kits or jelly tips doesn't come with any adhesion or any liquid products. So I am going to stick with my trusted liquids. So as you can see, I am applying Triple D Ultra Band first, and then afterwards apply gel base and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I am going to use Triple D Quick Sticks to adhere these jelly tips. So I do have here the LED flashlight, and I just hang it so that I don't have to hold it, because I really need both of my hands to hold the jelly tips so that I don't have any air bubbles or what. So I am using my pointer finger to press the cuticle area part, and the other thumb to press the free edge or the tip part of the jelly tips. And after flash curing, I am going to fully cure it in a bigger lamp for about 60 seconds. And this is after I cured it, and as you can see, it looks nice and sturdy. It also has the right amount of apex in my opinion, and I thought at first it is kind of flimsy, but it's actually not. So this is after I applied all the jelly tips, and I didn't film the entire process already since I think it's so redundant, but I just did the same process. And this is how it looks like. It is actually my first time trying a shorter jelly tips. I think it is a little bit challenging to apply because you don't have much grip compared to the longer ones, but nonetheless I was able to adhere it properly. So I'm just going to file the sides. So I really need to do this because I didn't trim the length of my nails, and as you can see, the side part of my natural nails are sticking out because these jelly tips is kind of tapered because of the shape. But nonetheless, I actually love how this turned out. So the rest of my nails will remain as is. I am not going to file the surface. So now let's move on to my other hand. So I completely remove all the remaining acrygel here. So these are all my natural nails now, and I am going to apply the long coffin. So I already choose my sizes, and I actually labeled every bag so that it's easier for me to know my size the next time I'm going to use it again. So yeah, after that, I am just removing the shine of the jelly tips so that it's easier to adhere it to my nails. After that, I am just going to do the same process that I did on my other hand, but I'm just going to remove all the dust first and sanitize my hand with alcohol, and then do the same process, use the same liquids, the Triple D Ultra Bond and Triple D Gel Base. So I will let you guys watch, and I will be back later for my thoughts, comparisons, and all of that. And this is after I applied my thumb, and as you can see, it is really nice and sturdy, and this is my favorite shape among all of the three that I got. And just a comparison with the short ballerina, this is how it looks like. And honestly, I still prefer the longer one since I have a nice grip and I really can press and hold my jelly tips. Unlike the short ballerina, I kinda had a difficulty applying it because I really can't find my grip and I really need that to press the jelly tips. But nonetheless, I really love both and I just prefer the longer ones. Again, it's a matter of preference, which one will work best for you. But yeah, this is after I applied all of the jelly tips on my left hand and I really love long nails. So I am going to leave it as is. I am not going to file the surface. I am just going to trim the length a little bit. And yeah, for my final thoughts, I think this is amazing. And for the price, you can't really beat that. And yeah, I am going to update more of this on my next videos. And I will also put any updates on these jelly tips in the comment box below. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye!